Here are the top 10 fastest stock cars, 0 to 60 miles per hour, known for their impressive acceleration. 1. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. 2. Tesla Roadster 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. 3. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. 4. Porsche 911 Turbo S 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. 5. Rimac Nevera 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds. 6. Chevrolet Corvette Z060 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. 7. Ferrari SF90 Stradale 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. 8. Lamborghini Huracan STO 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds. 9. McLaren 765L T0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds. 10. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds.